Hi everyone, in this video I am going to tell how to create WIS for Canada IRCC immigration. First you have to open the Google web page. Here you can type WES and log in the web page. So in the first, at the topmost, you will get Home World Education Services. You can click that. This is the first page. Here you can see get your credential evaluation in 3 simple steps. In that, the first part is submit your application and receive your WIS reference number. The second part is read our document requirements and send in your documents. Third is we verify your credentials, create your report and deliver it to your recipients. So these are the 3 steps in WIS evaluation. The first is used to create the application. The second is to check the document eligibility. Without doing the first step, we can choose second step to check what are the documents we require. So first I am showing how to check the second option. So click the here document requirements. So this is the document requirements page. Here you can preview the list of the documents. Before logging in, you can check what are the documents are needed based on your education. First is the equivalency country. Which one you want to equivalent, whether US or Canada, you can choose. Here you can choose Canada. Applying for IRCC is the second option. You can give yes. Then the option is country of education, which country you are studying, from India or Ireland, Hungary, Hong Kong, which country is, you can choose here. Next, status of your education, whether you completed or in progress, you can select completed. Then type of education, you have to choose university education or state boards or general nursing or midwifery. The option is here, you can select which you have studied. So select university level, and the option is available for professional education, Institute of Chartered Accounts, Institute of Cost and Work Accountants, Institution of Engineers, Institute of Company Secretaries. Then secondary education, then non-university postgraduate diploma education. These are the options available. You can choose university education. Next option is which of these apply. You have to select whether you have completed master degree or bachelor degree or doctoral degree programs. You can select master degree programs and postgraduate diploma programs. Even if you completed master degree also, you have to choose this option only, master degree programs and postgraduate diploma programs. Next, name of the institution. You have to type which institute you have studied, your college name. For example, here I type the college name and name of the diploma or certificate. You can click the course. Which branch you have studied, Bachelor of Engineering or Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science. The courses you can select here. I select here Master in Computer Management. Next you can click View Requirements. So here is your documents requirements. You can see what are the documents needed to apply for WIS. Here it is given what are the documents. If you have an Indian master's degree or an Indian postgraduate diploma, you must also provide your bachelor degree documents. WIS cannot complete an evaluation without these documents. Okay, if you complete master degree program, you have to submit your bachelor degree certificates also. Then only it will be evaluated in WIS. Then if you have a doctorate, you do not need to submit your bachelor's or degree or master degree for evaluation. Your easier report will not contain the following: anything below secondary school education, non-academic credentials, professional or career training qualifications. Okay, for these things it will not produce the report. You can see at the top, IRCC asked applicants to submit only their highest completed credential for an educational credential assessment. Okay, but for India, you have to select bachelor's. You must also provide your bachelor's degree documents and master's degree documents. Next, here you can see WIS does not evaluate study in Ayurveda, Unani and Siddha indigenous medical systems. WIS reserves the right to verify all documents submitted for evaluation. If it is determined that verification is required, WIS will contact your institution or other authorized source to authenticate your documents. Once a response is received, WIS will proceed with your evaluation. So this is your requirements checklist. You can see the first thing you need is a degree certificate, final, that is provisional certificate. It must be clear, legible photocopy of the final provisional degree certificate. You can upload a clear and legible copy using this My Account page. Second is the statement of marks, which is provided by your university. It is attested by the officials. And here is a form, academic records request form. You can download it and complete the form. Next step is how to send your documents. This I will start from the step 1 where I will explain about this. Now we have to switch to step 1. So this is the starting of the step 1. Here you can create the web page. First option is where will you use your evaluation. Either you are going to US or Canada. Here I am selecting Canada. In this page, here there are 3 different types of application. Select an application for a WIS standard application. It is for higher or continuing education, licensure and employment. Select the WIS standard application. The second option is ECA application for IRCC. For immigration purposes, select the Educational Credential Assessment, that is ECA application for Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada. Third option is ECA application for Agri-Food Pilot. For immigration purposes, select the Educational Credential Assessment for the Agri-Food Immigration Pilot. I am going to select ECA application for IRCC because we are creating WIS for express entry. To know the step-by-step process of creating WIS application, watch our next video. If you did not subscribe our channel yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon to know the latest updates immediately. Thanks for watching.